Hello friends, today I am going to teach you subject of direct marketing. I am going to cover basics and give you an understanding about this subject. Subject to all of us might look very little easy or very little old. I am going to touch base on a subject which is in fact I visualize is going to be a challenge for any marketeer in the next couple of decades. This particular subject of direct marketing is also being practiced so intensively by many companies today but may not be realized by you. So let us go forward and learn what is the subject of direct marketing. I will take you through a running example. Just focus on that. That will give you an immediate understanding in brief about what is direct marketing. So let me take you through examples. I am going to take you through one example which I have recently encountered. This was the use of direct marketing in a medical world. I could never imagine. According to me, it is the first ever recent experience that I got about direct marketing in a medical world. Take for example, first email comes to my inbox. Email is followed by the SMS which reminds me about the offer that they have given me in terms of I am their privileged customer. They have classified me under some yellow umbrella group and then they are offering me a complete test of my body at a discounted offer. Instead of rupees 1500, say rupees 1200. I am then reminded by an SMS after few days that offer was sent to you, kindly accept the offer. Immediately I went to the site for more detail, and when I was referring to a site, there was a very simple online booking procedure which was given by them. I had to just follow up with certain basic information to be filled up. Immediately when I submitted the form, I got a confirmation by an SMS that we have received your order. Let's see what happened next. The moment post booking confirmation email, I was reminded about fasting to be done 22 hours before my scheduled date and time. I booked up a convenient time for me, that was Saturday morning 8 o'clock. So I got a fasting reminder on Friday at 10 o'clock that sir, you need to do a fasting from 10 o'clock in the night till 8 o'clock in the morning. You are not supposed to drink water and eat anything. So much of a detailing that they have done. They also realized that people may forget about fasting. So reminder through a fasting. After that, within a very short time, they have sent us an email report. I was sent my report through an email. They have also conveyed to me that hard copy of the report is being couriered. I have received my report home delivered, which was a hard copy duly filed in a plastic folder file addressed to me, all reports containing specialist advice, etc. You can see this example of one of the report. Not only that, they surprised me with a free special report. One report which was not mentioned in the offer, they surprised me with one additional report being done by them free of cost. They have not stopped there. After a week, I am getting a booklet, free healthcare booklet. It is a preventive healthcare. How you can prevent certain things by being religiously following certain daily routine and rituals. So this preventive healthcare book took me through various things, so it was a very enlightening experience. I was issued a unique code for 2 years. Now they have confirmed to me as their valuable member. They have given me a unique code which is for 2 years. Say this is an example that I gave you. What that unique code entails, what is the benefit of that to me? Yes, this unique code, whenever I refer while I order with Thyrocare, it will entail me 20% of the discount on the rate card price of the Thyrocare. So they have given me that privilege. Now you can see friends, in a nutshell, DM in pathology testing. Thyrocare is a leading pathology testing computerized laboratory of India. They must have developed the entire direct marketing program. How they can do this? They would have really developed a plan. They have done a local tie-up for picking up my sample coming to my home getting the thing tested, delivering the reports through email, delivering a home delivery of report, etc. Database use, additional database creation and linking it with the use of mobile for SMS, email for online and report delivery. Let me tell you friends, though this was done recently, Thyrocare has started this initiative at least a year back, because I distinctly remember year back they conducted a camp in my society, taking society permission. They conducted a camp, and during the camp also they have obtained all personal details about me. Same personal detail was used by them when they sent me an email offer. Same personal information of my mobile was used by them when they sent me an SMS. So look at it, how they have planned. First they have planned coming close to me by coming to my society. Then they have done everything online. So that is a plan that they have done. Emailer and SMS developments, creative and messaging, etc. was done by them very well. Linking it with the online newspaper advertisement. There was a newspaper advertisement also in the newspaper. The day when I got my emailer in my inbox, the newspaper also carried this advertisement which I have seen in the morning. But I have not really paid any attention to that. But the sooner I went to office and I got my email, my attention towards that started going, closer to them. Special free report, 2-year discount, issuing me a unique code. So much was thought about it. And I am sure there was some parallel program must be on by them for taking the advantage of this forward. What I have noticed was they have not done a family profiling. Maybe they are not currently keen on taping it, but okay, in future they might approach me, and they have still not given me a family offer. I was expecting that now they will come out with a family offer. But just to tell you further, just about 2 days back, to further my relationship with them, they have given me a special person to handle my account. For anything in future, if I want to do with Thyrocare, they have told me that you can call up Mr. Sachin Ahire on this number. So I am so privileged, they have now taken so much of my care for my entire body checkup in future, for my family also. I can reach out to this person and he will plan everything for me. So look at the power that they have used. They have not come in direct contact with me, but using a direct marketing techniques and a science, they have still got a business out of me.